This is the elephant, the gentle giant that commands the wild with heart and power. They can weigh up to 6 tons, yet move with quiet grace across the savanna. And get this, their trunks have over 40,000 muscles, strong enough to uproot a tree, yet gentle enough to lift a single flower. Elephants form deep family bonds, remember faces for decades, and even mourn their dead, a true symbol of strength, wisdom, and emotion in the animal kingdom. Would you dare to stand before one of nature's greatest minds? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing animal facts.